Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to embed a link in Reddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, we need to open Reddit and click on create post, and we need to add a link on something. For example, I want to add a link to my YouTube channel. So I choose the link on my YouTube channel, copy that, and here I can, for example, write a title or something like follow me on YouTube, and I already copy a link on my YouTube channel, so I just add it. And here I select a community where I want to post my link on YouTube channel. For example, I will post on my own subreddit, and simply click on post. And as you can see, you can have the link, and if someone click on open, he will go to your link, and in my case he will open my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.